thought I'd quickly show everyone something. So, this is an angle bead. Yeah, there's a lot of lads online asking where they get curved arch beads from for rendering. So if you can't get hold of them, I never use them, but you may probably do one. But what I do is I cut every inch down the spine, perfectly on every line. Yeah, if you look all the way down. Yeah, and as soon as you've done that, yes. But with an external arch there. So for one of them, cut down every inch. But then I've cut every other one out. And then it curves the other way on the outside edge. Yeah, I'm sick of seeing lads using stock beads on arches. Come on, using angle beads on a corner.